Let's see. I think we're live over here too. Hope everybody had a great Monday, great weekend. Easy money yesterday. It looked like real easy money. Oh, let's see. What do we got going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have no idea if there's any kind of news today. I don't give two fucks, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's see. Control C. Oh, I have no idea. I'm assuming there's some kind of best guess. Looks like some buy stops on US30 to the 10-second blue line, but don't quote me on that. I'm just getting things fired up. I have no idea. Let me get this one set. Let me change the name here. Let's go down here, set up. I got to get my YouTube channel set up. I'll be right with you guys, as always. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a beautiful morning. Please pray for our loved ones. All right. Let's see. Are we there? Yes. All right. I think we're all set. Is anybody here? Let's see. What's up, Larry? Good morning, Techman. Thanks for being on YouTube and TikTok. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. What's up, Gary? CPI at 8:30. Ah, well, fuck CPI. I ain't trading it. Good morning, Arjunus Luna. Good morning, Larry Koopa. What's up, Larry? Guy Romero. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oops, got to get this out of the way. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Andrew Frejo. 6 minutes. Good morning, teacher. Yep. Yeah, well, fuck it. I'm not trading it. I would hope for a pullback, though, and then a push up, but we'll see. I don't care. Good morning, Lachey. What's up, Lachey? And God bless you, Larry. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Let's see who's on TikTok. Can you guys hear me okay? On both. Can you hear me on YouTube, Facebook, and all that? Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Little Joe, Persistent, Techman, Aussie Trader, GeoBar 14, Annie Apple, and Crankin. Is the sound better than it was the last time? The last time we did it, I was in the hotel. Me and Brie on vacation for a week. 3 weeks, actually. Good morning, Dunpeel. Thank you, Larry, for the feedback. Good morning, Brad A. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you, Brad. Yes, says Aussie Trader. Sounds good, says Little Joe. Yay. Well, aren't we happy? Now, you know what I need, though? Oh, shoot fire. Hold on. I might be able to do it here. Woohoo. Hold on, peeps. No treadmill this morning. Probably getting close to 8:30. I'm not trading the news. I'm not going to trade any news. Wow. That was funny. I'm going to be just Trying to get things situated so they can actually. Ay, ay, ay. I can't even read this. Let's see. Oh, I see. Let's see. I'm trying something new here. Bear with me. Let me see if I go over to here. Let's see. Then we search over here. Safety tray. We're getting closer. Okay. How cute is that? I think I got something working. All right. Peepee weepies, what do we got going on? This is fun. Huh. Morning, Lazarus. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Ryan Marcus. What's up, Mr. Gold? Long time no see. What's up, buddy? Yes, I can hear and see you on both. Yes, audio good. Thank you, Barani. What's up, Brad? GB. Good morning, GB. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, GB. Now, let's see where we're at with everything. Yeah, I don't care about CPI or anything that's happening right now. I'm barely able to be live. Looks like we're making more money. How's my stuff been doing, by the way? Hold on. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Oh, it looks like a nice buy. Yeah, it went up. What else was it going to do, right? Let me grab this real quick. All right, we're good. Okay, now we need to do this. Here. Let's do this first. How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bear with me here. Looks like the buy is perfect. It's no big deal. Let me go back over to here. Yeah, that'll work out just fine. And let's go back over to here. Okay. Now I think we're good. Let's see if it's saving that. It did. Nice. Good morning, Sally. Now let's see if this part's working. There I am. What do you know? Let's see. Is it pulling out? Yep. There's the full on thing. I don't know which way that's turning though. Why is it this way? Let's see. This way. Yeah, that's better. What's up, peeps? Long time no see. I don't usually show myself, but I'm willing to do it these days. All right, there we go. Now, I think we're good. What's up, Tarson Black? What's up, Little Joe? Joe Bigga, Larry Cooper, Aussie Trader, Tarson Black, Persistent, Techman, Geobar, Lazarus, Annie Apple. What's up, Annie? Nadal. What's up, Nadal? Kenny J, Dark Lights, Jacob Silva. Got to get my home stuff fixed up, but we'll get there. Do, 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 do. Da, 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 da. Nice. What's up, Mike Glowinski? What's up, Glow?
Demo trade only.
Yep.
I am not a financial advisor.
I think we're working. All right. Buy stop. I don't even know where we're at. What is this? US30? Do 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 do. Yeah. All the buy stops for US30 to the I think it was 10 second, 15 second, 30 second are now all green. I was checking out my chart, my last trades. What was my last trades doing? Do 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 do. $587 an ounce on gold from January. I'll be holding that probably for the whole year. My stop loss is actually a take profit. The US 31 right here is up, I don't know, a shit ton of fucking money. It's up 108, 216. No. How the fuck? Hold on. Let me go to US 30 real quick. Let me see my time in. I got to take off that stupid gaming thing got triggered. Do, 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 do. There we go. There we go now. By the way, what did Bitcoin hit while we're having fun here? What's up, History and Wildlife Girl? I recognize you. What did Bitcoin go to? I think it hit 105, didn't it? Let's see. And I'm pretty sure yours truly called that out for you, but let's take a look, shall we? Okay, how do I get rid of this shit from flashing up right here? This is driving me nuts. 104,000. Did it hit 105? Close enough. Look at that shit. Told you Bitcoin where it was going. Told you, told you, told you, told you, told you. Told you. Let me see. In case you all didn't know, which I'm sure you've heard, most of you heard, I track every trade I ever do, thanks to Kim. And let's see where, I don't know, we had Bitcoin all over the damn place. Now let's go back because it was a while ago. I was calling it to when it was at 80,000 or something. 83,000, I think. I was calling it to 105, 110. None of you believe me, I don't think. But, you know, sooner or later, you guys will quit doubting me. I don't know what any of that is. I'm not going in there. Let's see. Oh, this looks pretty busy. Let's see what this one's like. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Bitcoin. Yeah, there you go. 87,000, take profit 1, 91,000, take profit 95,000, and then so on. Hold on, guys. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. There we go. All right, what were my profits? 100, 100,000, 105, 110, 120. Yep, those are my profits. Told you. Easy peasy on that call. What has XRP been doing, though? Let's see. Oh, look at XRP. You can. Whoa. Dun, 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 dun. Chords and everything. Look at my face. So messy. I got to get this all straightened out. GB, everyone, hit the like button. Thank you, GB. Good morning, Kim, the Candle Envy Lady. I was just showing off your great work. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, John Parker. I'm going to get your stuff out to you this morning. This is... everyone should be jealous of Matt and John Parker. I'm going to throw them under the bus. They're going to be getting the beta tests of these little things right here. So they're going to have this one. Oops, we got to move this down a little bit. They're going to have this one on their own home computers, and they'll have this one on their home computers, and then they'll have a combined one soon. Yep. Nice. Wow, this is all great news. This is all fantastic news. So noon, so 11:30. I'll leave here at 11. Oh shit, it doesn't give me much time. Let me set my alarms. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see. 9, 10, 2 hours. 2 hours would be 10:42. Nope. 1052 works. All right, and let's go over here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me see. All right. Did you? Anybody have any questions before I call out a whole bunch of things? Do. Oh, it looks like some cells hitting. Let's check that 5-second NAS and see what's going on. 5 second. Cell stop NAS to the 5-second blue line. That'll go for US30 NAS NQ1 SPX ES1. Let's see if these all turn to red over here. Jelly says persistent. Congratulations, Parker Brothers. Well-deserved beta testers. Rock and roll. Thanks, Coach. Hell yeah. Can't wait. Michelle, what's up, Michelle Glowinski? What's up, Michelle? Oh, 1 second's all flipped. 1 second's all flipped. It's exciting. I think we're going to hit those 5 seconds too, but I'll get back to that in a second. All right. Da 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 da. 1,400 people on YouTube. I don't believe it. What are they doing with that? Does anybody know why they keep boosting us up? I don't know. Maybe 2-3 times a week we go up to 1,371 viewers. I just don't believe that shit. Gonna be da da da. What's up, peeps? Let's see. Can I show you that? No. No, I'd have to pull you over to see it. What's up, guys? I got my little shirt on. Wait, this side. There it goes. Little shirt on. I can take us over to, let's see. I can take us over to Trunk Bay. You guys like Trunk Bay? Or do you like the, I can put us on like a little backdrop building thing here. Look at that one. How cute. Or do you like our little backdrop with the safety trade? I personally like this. It's just so fucking gorgeous right there. Who likes Trunk Bay? What's up, Kirk? Morning, Kirk. Da, 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 da. What's up, Mike Zal? Onan. What the hell does O-N mean? On. And you guys can come over from TikTok and you can come over and actually see this. How do I do this? Fuck, I have a lot of stuff to do, don't I? And that's what you see if you were on YouTube. Let's see. We'll leave it right here. Trunk Bay, baby. It's actually, yeah, they call it something else, but it actually is Trunk Bay. That's correct. Good morning, Wishing Praying. Wishing Praying. That's a nice name. What's up? Da 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 da. Look, Precious. A, there's 1,322 people watching. B, that's actually me live showing myself. And then there's this. And that's the thing. Anyway, love you, sweetie. Hugs and kisses. Love you, love you. All right. Let's see. That's Precious. Now, let's see. All right. Sevens, if you guys like the Trunk Bay background. Or if you'd rather me not show my face, you can do nines. No, I'm teasing. Which I won't probably be showing my face a lot anyways. All right. Where are we at? TikTok, baby. Can I put it on here, I wonder? This should be interesting. Things that make you say, Can you thumbs up your own? You can thumbs up your own thing? That's crazy. All right. Well, that frees that up. What's up, Kim the Candle Envy Lady? Love it. Nice to see you. What's up, Michelle? Yeah, I know, right? I don't think me and Michelle saw each other in 40 years. What's up, Doughboy? Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, Kim. Oh, you guys like the Trunk Bay? And I can teach you guys from, well, I can teach you guys from this. I can actually show you buy stops and sell stops. You see the hat? See the shirt? Where's the shirt? See the shirt? Boop, boop, boop. You guys can get the same merch. You can right over here. Where is it at? Yeah, right here. Right here. You guys can get the same stuff. Get the white. And it comes in all kinds of different colors. You just don't have to get the black. And I actually have to get the GIF on there. Yeah, that's the hat. That's the actual hat I'm wearing right now. And I got a big old fucking head. So, freaking head. So, yeah, it fits. You go into those like hat stores they have at the malls and shit. None of them fit my fucking head. I don't know. I didn't know I had such a big head, but I guess I do. But that's the hat right there. Isn't that cool? And it lasts. I mean, these shirts and shit, like the polos, they never fade. I swear. I got a tank top that's like 3 years old now, 2.5 years old. 1,500, 1,600 people. Why in the heck do they have 1,600 people here? Such a lie. You know that we don't have 1,600 people here. Let me see. How many people are on my... What the fuck was that nasty ass shit? All right. Let's see. Fucking YouTube Premium. Get out of here with that shit. All right. Really? Only... Oh, okay. This is going to be a real short live. There's literally only 17... Oh, my God. There's only 17 thumbs up right now? Yeah, okay. See where it says 1,600 people watching? I mean, are those bots? I'm so confused. They come and go. It's so weird. But yeah, we need more than 17 thumbs up, or there's going to be 1,678 people that are going to be disappointed. All right, you guys got 1 minute, literally 1 minute before. If I don't get more thumbs up, I don't even know how many thumbs up, but if I don't get more than that many thumbs up, you're out the door. 1 minute. If I don't get more than 17 thumbs up in a minute, I'm done. We better get up to 25, 30. I have no idea how many people. If there's 1,657 of you watching, better have motherfucking 1,000 of thumbs up. I don't think these people understand. I don't have to stay here, and I will not stay here. See ya. Look how pretty that is. By the way, Trunk Bay is even prettier in life than what you're watching right there. Oh my God. I can't believe there's 17 thumbs up. Fuck that. Crazy ass shit. All right, let's go back to here. Now. All right, we'll go back to here. Now you guys saw that. All right. Yeah, I'll check that in just a minute. There better be way more. That's insane. 17 thumbs up. Really, guys? That's all I'm worth to you? That's all I'm worth to you? Can't give me a fucking thumbs up. We got 30. What's up, Big? What's up, Techman? Michelle, Kim the Candling Doughboy, Old School Mick, Kirk Brown, we got 30. Oh, is that right? Let me refresh it. Because I think people are understanding that when I tell you I'm going to close this video down, I'll close this video down within a second. Let's see. 38. That's better. What do you know? Thanks, guys. You guys can do the right thing. What do you know? All right. Where are we at? We got to make some trades. All right, I'm going to make a whole bunch call out. Don't try to keep up. Just understand when I call these out, be ready for it, okay? Whatever I say is going to happen. It's not a question. It's not an if. It's not a maybe. It's going to happen. What was this, a 15-minute buy stop? 15-minute buy stop. Yep, 15-minute. You guys who are good with TradingView, how do I get rid of this shit right here that comes up when I hover? This plus, minus, zoom out, zoom. How do I get rid of this shit before I make the call outs? Thank you, Kirk. Thank you, Barani. Anybody good with they are bots 100%? But why are they sending them? What's up, K9? But why would someone wait? What's up, Azar? Good morning, Azar on TikTok. Why would someone waste their time sending 1,600 bots to my YouTube channel 2 or 3 times a week? I'm not understanding that. All right, how do I get rid of this? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, even over here, I can't stand this shit. What is this? What is navigation? On the cat, always hide navigation. Oh, okay. I was just there. Thank you. Is that it? Oh, so much better. Thank you so much. Who was that? Thank you, Kirk. That was a blessing right there. Yeah, everyone's like, don't you know everything? I don't know shit about TradingView. I don't know shit about TradingView. Oh, it's great. It took it off all of them. Thank you so much, sir. That's a blessing. Thank you. Speaking of which, we probably should say a blessing before I get rolling here. Kirk just showed you. Yes, MH. Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. God, I ask your blessing upon each and every one of our members that are listening today, all of our family and friends, all of the prayer requests that we have inside of our room. I ask your blessings of healing in every way possible for everyone hearing my voice right now, especially our loved ones, especially our spouses, especially my wife, Bree, and of course, Keith, and all of our family and friends that are in the safety trade system. I ask that you open up their hearts and souls so that they can actually learn the system and that they can become consistently profitable through it. And I thank you in Jesus Christ's name. Amen. Ta-da. All right. This is fantastic. Got to rewatch the training videos, laugh my ass off. Always invisible. Amen, brother. All right. Now, do bots say amen to that? I still don't know. I never had bots, and they don't count for views, by the way. When this bounces up, they don't count for views. So whatever this is not the 1,293 people. We'll still get to like 2, 3, 4, 500 views, but they don't count the 1,293 people. They just don't. What's up, Matt Parker? Da 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 da. I'm in D's 120.67. What to do? I don't know what you're talking about. Tim, good morning, Tim. Tim wants me to check out something. Let's check it out, but let's go over to our actual checker outer. Yep, This is the one. Let's go over to here. DVS. DEVS. What is DVES? I don't know if we can even trade it. Okay, let's call out DEVS for Tim. Looks like he's in a little short-term sell right here. Let's go to 1 minute. Sell stop. DEVS to the 1 minute blue line. Take profit 0.5838.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Sell stop to the 3 minute blue line. Take profit 0.4299. Looks like he's going into a buy though. Why can't I see something higher than here? Hold on. 90 minute, 45 minute buy stop. Oh, good for you. 30 minute. Yeah, this is gorgeous buy. Take the buy. Buy stop. DEVS. Demo trade only. 0.7950. Take profit 2.8930. 1 hour buy stop. DEVS. $1.36. Hell, this is fantastic all the way up here. We have a problem though. What is this and why doesn't it have any history? Daily sell. Daily, weekly sell. Yeah, this is horrible on those time frames. I don't know what this is, but this is a daily, weekly sell. Yeah, there's much, much better symbols to trade than that. If you're going to take your take profit, listen to those ones going to the 1 hour lines. I wouldn't hold this thing long term necessarily, but it doesn't have enough history for me to even read those higher time frames. What I told you about the 30-second sells and the 1 minute, that's what's going to happen. What I told you about the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour buys, that's what's going to happen, but demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
And you're welcome,
advisor.
Tim, and welcome to the channel. You can go over to YouTube and you can see a little bit more on YouTube. Da-da-da-da. Popular live on TikTok. We're number 2 out of all the TikToks on level D, whatever the hell that means. Matt Parker, what's up, Matt? What's up, Grant? Matt Parker and John Parker will be getting, hopefully, well, by this evening anyways, don't hold it to me, fellas. They'll be getting to this particular scanner and this one on their charts this evening. Well, by this evening. So what does that mean? They're going to have the beta version of these particular. So they'll be able to see the buy stops. They'll be able to see it flipping. They'll be getting a signal call on the 1 minute and so on. Matter of fact, we need a 30-second, but I'll talk to Keith about that. So yeah, Matt and John Parker are the beta testers for this. Hopefully they only have glorious things to say about it. But if not, I'm sure we'll tweak anything that needs to be tweaked if they find anything. So congratulations to you, Matt, and congratulations to you, John, and I appreciate your help. Me and Bree both do. And of course, Keith does because he's the one coding all this. When you see these little things changing colors here, by the way, guys, this is checking the sniper. The sniper is the single most important indicator ever made. It would be the best $250 a month you ever had. And I strongly recommend if you have it to stay in it. Okay? If you don't have it, to get it. Okay, so there we go. All right, peepee weepies. 5-panel blue line trading with the sniper rifle has been amazing. Thanks, Kev. Can't wait. Yes. So, Matt, when you say the 5 line, just refer to this thing from now on, the Uno reverse, because this is trading all 5 symbols. So what Matt's saying is this setup right here is utterly life-changing, and he knows that. But what really matters isn't that it's life-changing here. We made it so that everything that's right here that you see manually, including the sniper rifle, John, just so you're clear on this, and Matt, is right here. Everything, see the sniper rifle's being checked on all 5. Is it above or below on all 5? And as opposed to having manually opened up 5 of these where you're trying to keep track of the 30-second, the 1 hour, the 1 minute, the 5-second, the 5 hour, the daily, the weekly, right? Instead of having to do that, you literally can see it all on this one screen right here. When the 1 second start to flip, you'll see it, and so on. Does that make sense to you, John and Matt? So yeah, the whole point of this is to make it easier. It's going to read all 5 and tell us when to take the buy or sell. Yes. And it's going to flash money signs. You see the money sign being flashed right there? That's Keith's funny way of saying this is the motherfucking buy right here that you need to take. And it's reading, does the sniper read that? You know what I'm saying? Is it matching what we need? And so on. Again, I would start to look hard for these sells to the 5-second blue lines. I'd let 2 of these more. I'd get the US30 turn or the NAS turn and then get it. Cool. All right, great, John and Matt. I'm glad you guys understand that, because this right here is a free upgrade from my beautiful wife Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. And it will combine these 2. So you see the BS is on here while this happens. You see how this one's forming the higher time frames. 30-minute buy stop, US30. Matter of fact, they're all going to turn into 30-minute buy stops as this goes on. And then they'll all turn into 30-minute buy stops. We'll call it for open. What time is it? Geez, it's almost time for open. But yeah, so these 2 will be combined into one eventually, Matt and John, when they're combined into one. And then when they're into one unit, and then they'll be making the calls. And then they're going to send out signals. They're going to send out signals. Everybody in the signal rooms right here, they will absolutely have a new room created right here. So we're going to have the first 3 rooms are right here. And then they will have these 3 rooms right here. By the way, none of these have ever missed. I went back and checked the last 5 or 10 on each one of these rooms. There's no misses. They're all wins, 100% win rate on the signal rooms, just so we're clear. But there's going to be a 3rd signal room added that's going to be sending out signals from here. And it's basically going to do 10-second, because we can't do 1 second, 5 seconds. They're just too fast. You guys can't react fast enough. So we're going to be doing 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes to the signal rooms. So you guys will eventually, everyone that has the sniper will get a free upgrade. And the sniper is this right here, just so we're all on the same page. It's this thing right here. This is the sniper. This works on all symbols that can't, see how it can't be charted right here. We can't read this, so that's why DEVS is not ideal for us. But this sniper right here, sniper rifle, is unbelievably accurate. And all we did was expand it into this. So we're reading 3 out of the 5 indices every time, all day. Damn, are we not going to get a pullback? What's going on with US30? Hold on a second. Let me just see something. Hold on. What the? There we go. No, hold on. Yeah, I would never take any sell stops on these. As always, these are permanent buys, as I've told you. 30-minute buy. See what I mean? I'm going through them all. There it is. There's your answer. It's a 30-minute buy stop. Yes, correct. That's funny. So yeah, 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy. It's always the highest buy that you read. It's a 30-minute buy stop on US30. And it's also a 15-second buy stop on US30. Okay. Again, good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Let's see. Can we get anybody on TikTok? I don't know.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Little Joe, Larry Cooper, Old School Mick, History and Wildlife Girl, Aussie Trader, Joe Biga, Azar, Techman, Michelle Glowinski, Lazarus, Kenny, Ray, and Rich OBX. Welcome to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Get the sniper rifle. That is correct, Persistent. Learn how to use the sniper rifle and you will have the most consistent trading of your life. It is pretty amazing. Yep, absolutely. What are your thoughts on XRP now? XRP, I've been correct on XRP for the last fucking ever since it was at like 31 cents. My thoughts on it right now are this. We're coming out with a new crypto. It's going to be having Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP reading to the blue lines with a scanner just like this. Can you imagine? So my thoughts are buy the system or buy the crypto version of the system, which will be coming out in a few weeks. And then my thoughts are this. You can clearly see that Bitcoin has gone up past its orange line. You can clearly see that Ethereum has a long way to go. You can clearly see that XRP has kind of gone up to where I want it to go to. It has today. Oh, it's right there right now, actually. So it's exactly at take profit that I wanted today. But it's going to go up past here and here. So it's not what do I think. I know where it's going, and it already hit take profit 1, right? And then take profit 2 was halfway up, take profit 3. It will go up to $2.94, and then it will go up to $3.34, then $4.50, $3.50, and then $4. That's what XRP is going to do. But, and this is a big one, I'm sure Larry's happy as shit on this one, Ethereum is hugely undervalued. Ethereum is going to, I already called Ethereum. I told you where take profits were Ethereum in a hit, take profit 1, 2, and 3. Ethereum is going to 2,941. Ethereum is going to 3,300. Ethereum is going back to 4,000.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And that is a fact, Jack. Just be ready for it. I'm telling you right now where they're going before they happen. XRP. I personally, do personally trade XRP. This has to fill in. See right here how the yellow was filled in with the green. You see the space. You see over here it hasn't done it yet. And by the way, I told you Bitcoin would be touching at the end of this. It would have been Monday, which it was. So by next Monday-ish, or the 2 Mondays after that, you'll see this come up and touch. And there you go. And then this is going to go up to that orange line, which it already has. So those are your take profits for XRP.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What kind of issues is TikTok having, Aussie Trader? TikTok having issues. INJ on Coinbase, SMH. What kind of issues is TikTok having? Gonna be cutting in and out. Really? Tell me if it's still doing that for the next little bit. The sound is cutting in and out? No shit. That's almost impossible. On TikTok, the sound. Huh. Let me know over the next several minutes as that continues. How's the sound and view on YouTube? INJ. Let's look at INJ. By the way, I'm also coming out with a gold version of the safety trade, which will be trading gold and silver. And it'll be specialized only for gold, just like we tweaked the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. All these indicators are being tweaked and/or tweaked already to respond specifically to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Gold will be the same way. Now, the core system works on all of those. It's not the issue, but it's going to be that way. So, and I don't know. It'll be like, $575 plus, I don't know, a couple $100 a month to keep them active, something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Kev, I haven't seen your lives come up on TikTok for last week. Really weird. No, you have to search for it. Jamie, just go to the YouTube. Just go to TikTok and type in the safety trade. You'll see it. I'm live all the time. Stephen Kilfer. What's up, Stephen? Wishing, praying. What's up? Wishing, praying. Sound is good. Sound is good. Sound is perfect on YouTube. And the sound's repeating, just freezing. How is it? How's the sound just strictly on TikTok now that I've kind of did something? Anything going on? Okay. Market open in 18 minutes. I'm not even prepared. Sounds good now. Okay, I know what the issue was. Working better now. Awesome. Serve. Can you look at that, please? Of course I can. Big. Good morning to you, Big. Serve. All right. And I do have to do better with this. Whoop, wrong one. Hold on. This is what I'm going to try to do from now on. We're going to do this, and we're going to go here, and then, damn. And then we're going to go here, and then we're going to go here. And then so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to say, serve, can you look at that, please? All right. Then we're going to go over to here, and we're going to go serve, maybe. And we're going to go SERV. Serve robotics. Let's see if the sniper can read it. And then we're going to go back to our screen over here. Boop. And boop. All right. Looks like you're a little late to the party. This looks like a strong buy across the board. But let's see what we got going on. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and I can't look up any more of these things. So you guys are just going to have to wait. Why is this occurring like this? Hold on a second. One second. No. There we go. Much better. All right. 1 second. Buy. It's already bought. Let's see what the 4 hour is on this. 3 hour. 3 hour hit. 4 hour. Yeah, we don't have enough history on this to trade this. It is a buy stop. You guys, I mean, that's bad. Yeah, see, there's not enough history really to see this thing. No, I can't call it. There's just not enough trade history on this particular symbol with me. It was a 7 hour buy. If you had my system, you could have got in at $6.21. You could have made 50% on your money. It was an easy buy stop right there, but I can't call it. Sorry, Big. My bad. All right. Let me take this off of here. Yeah, I'm trying to use something and it's just not working, so I'm going to use it over here instead. Whoa, shit. There we go. Now let's see what happens. There we go. Now your guys' sound should be perfectly fine. TSLL. What time is it? All right, fine. Last one I'm calling is TSLL, even though I said I wouldn't. I'll try to help out. Who the hell is that? Flacco47. Do you like Joe Flacco? Let's see. This is TSLL. That's nice. We'll buy some. Let's see what we got going on. See the sniper rifle. Read it or not. Sell, short-term sell, 4 hour buy. Let's see what this is looking at a higher level. Yeah, you guys are calling out these shitty-ass things. I can't read them when they're too new or they don't have enough history. I can't read them. But for your guys' purposes, okay, 2 hour buy stop, I'll give you this one. Sell stop to the 10-second blue line. I don't care about that. 2 hour buy stop, take profit one, $14.52. Take profit two, $14.62. They're all the same. Yeah, that's it. There's much better symbols to be trading, but that is what it is.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Thanks for the ETH call. I've been in since 1840. God bless. Nice. I knew Larry would. Perfect, says Dwayne Raid. Thanks, Dwayne. All right. Is the sound still okay on TikTok? Is TikTok sound still okay? It should be perfect. I've reconfigured something on it, so we should be good. All right. Let's go. Can you imagine it's going to be a specific gold? You know what? If I had gold, we've called gold so perfectly over the last 3 years. I mean, perfectly, without issue. Kim's the one who started on it. It is so fucking easy to do gold. I would literally, If I was going to start over, I would buy the safety trade system gold. That's what I would do. Literally, I would do. Sell stop gold, 45-minute to the blue line, 3,217. I would never play a sell on gold, however. Gold is always a buy and forever will be a buy. But you can do these little short-term sells if you're hyper and you don't have any patience. 9-hour buy stop gold, 10-hour buy stop gold, 12-hour buy stop gold, 12-hour daily buy stop gold. Take profit 1, 3,292. Take profit 2, 3,346. Take profit whatever, 3, 3,400. It's going to be 3,500, and that's gold. And by the way, you can call silver the same way. Silver is $33.90. Let's call it $34, and then $34.50, and that is silver. I thank God for system. I thank God for you, Brian. Thank you, Sally. And we thank God for you and ask a blessing upon you and everybody listening, for real. I truly believe in the blessings of God. Boy, when you guys pray, it's amazing. Just imagine we have this Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP thing set up. Look at the money. I've been calling this buy on Bitcoin since, well, it was before. It was 83,000. You can clearly see how easy it was. What time is it? I don't have time to teach you. But this is, look at the pink, purple cross to the blue with your fill in the gap space, bouncing right inside of our channel, going up to the orange line. I mean, Bitcoin was a give me call. Give me call. XRP was a give me call. It's right where it's supposed to be. This will close. It's the exact same. See how Bitcoin was a step ahead? And then now it's here. Now, Ethereum is a little different on this take, but that's okay. That means more money for Ethereum, right? So this is actually a higher time frame. This is a monthly. This is a 3-week monthly buy stop on Ethereum. Look how much more. See, again, Bitcoin's always leads. Look how much Bitcoin's up here. Look how Ethereum is below it. Look how XRP is below. See it? It's going to go way up to here, just like Bitcoin is doing, just like Ethereum will eventually do. Someone's going to make a shit ton of fucking money on that Ethereum. Probably Larry.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Sounds great, says Larry. Thank you for the feedback, Larry. All right. Market open in less than 10 minutes. Please do not play market open. I have to go immediately thereafter. If you're going to play market open, make sure you lock in profit. Make sure you demo trade only. Okay. Look at this. Easy money on NQ. Look at this. Easy money. Boom, baby. Ooh, let's see what's going on. See, we can do it manually or we can do it this way. So we're going to go over to here and we're going to go down below. Buy stop. 1 minute, US 30. 15-second below. Are you shit? Are those fucking blue lines that fucking far away? Sell 1 second to the blue line, all in. I would never play a sell, by the way. I'm just calling it for you guys. I mean, this is crazy. This really how far away this is? This is crazy far. Crazy far. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get the pullback. All right, I'm going to tell you what I'm expecting for open, but I just don't think we're going to see it. I really don't. I don't know if we're going to get a pullback this morning. All right, this is what we need to have happen so you guys can make some money. All right, here we go. These are all 5 indices that we trade as one. ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, and US30. These are all. US30 is a 5-second sell stop to the blue line. Okay? So if we're going to get anything, I'm going to take a buy on US30 at open. We need this pullback right here. We need to see all of these. We need to see this. You need to see it come up. And then I want it to hook down like this at open, right? And then I want to see the pullback up right after open. So I think the only one we have a shot on that is US30. US30, 5-second sell stop to the blue line. All of their indices buy stops 5-second. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Let me see this real quick. Top, bottom, right. Oh, wait a second. Why is that? Oh, the right isn't far enough. Here we go again on our own. Da 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 da. All right, that'll work. All right, we have touchdown, 5-second touchdown. On the sell to US 30 5-second blue line, we have a touchdown. Yay. Any one of you that took that trade, feel free, but I don't touch those. The trade I'm looking for now is going to be a 30-second, 1-minute buy stop to the 30-second blue line, to the 10-second blue line, 15-second blue line, US 30. I'm going to put in my little I don't know if these are making noises either. I got to fix that somehow, and I don't know how. Take profit 1. Take profit 2 US 30. 42,270. Take profit 3 US 30. Well, I don't know, whatever that was. Okay. And let's go back up to here. And we're good. All right. The only hope we have for the pull down is US 30. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe. But we need it, so hopefully it'll happen. How those bots have stayed on the whole morning? 1,386 people viewing? Holy fuck. That's crazy. All right, you can clearly see US 30 is setting up for a 3-minute sell stop. You can see all these are buys. ES1, buy. That's all we can do. SPX, buy. 6 minutes, 5 minutes to market open. NQ1, buy. NAS, buy. Buy. We're not doing the Backstreet Boys. Buy, buy, buy. All right, let's see what we got over here. You guys can't really, well, I don't give 2 fucks. So you can clearly see right there, bippity boppity boo, boop, 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 boop. And then this is our sell right there. Kind of weird that you can't see both. Hold on a second. Let me see, is this better? Yeah. I don't know. Can you guys still see the charts when I'm like in this position on YouTube? Can you see the chart still right over here? I wouldn't trade this US 30 sell, though. I really would not. You have to wait for the others to catch up. The only thing on US 30 I'd wait for is that 30-minute buy stop right here. I love this take profit right here. Take profit is 42,356. And that's what you're seeing. Now, am I going to trade this morning? I'm not in the mood. I'm not going to trade this morning. But the only one I would take a buy on is US 30. Okay, fine. You guys are going to make me fucking put in some buy stops for US 30. Hold on. Now, I don't know why sound is going through there. Yeah, they just smaller but clear. Okay, cool. Thank you guys for the feedback. I'm not going to stay here. Don't worry about that. Definitely not. Boop. There we go. Keep the likes up so we can keep coming on you. Very good observation, Sally. What's up, Stacy Osho? Thank you, Kev. We can see you. Yep. What do you know, Stacy? After 3 fucking years. Oh, market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Please do not trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, make sure you lock in profits. I'm going to go immediately after. I don't have time to stick around today. Sorry, guys. Got fucking entirely too much shit to do. Looking for a buy on US 30. Buy on US 30. And I'm going to go ahead and go way down here to these little seconds. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we are getting a pullback. Sell stop all indices to the 5-second blue line. Sell stop all indices to the 5-second blue line. I would never trade these. These are permanent buy stops, but what the hell? We'll just push these in like this. Mark them down for you. It'd only be trading the buy stops, but there isn't one on any index other than US 30. And here you go. We have a signal. We have a signal. I'm going to wait for US 30s though. Can you guys even hear that? What shit? Man, I swear I had better sound and shit at the... Hold on. Aha. Aha. Can you guys hear that? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, market open in a minute. I'm only looking for a US 30 buy. There is some sells here on the 5 seconds to the blue line on all indices. I would not trade that. Do it at your own risk.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's see if we can go up here. Yeah, baby. Let's sit right here for a minute. Yeah, baby. There we go. We'll sit right here. Yeah, we'll sit right here. Now, if it doesn't flip right now, if it doesn't go up right now, look for the US 30 buy to go up by 10:30. And if it doesn't do that, it'll go up by 2:30. Yeah, I can hear the money sound. Nice, Steven. Thank you, Sally. Uh-oh, US 30 crossing. Market open. Let's see what we got. Come on, US 30. Bring us some money to Papa. Come on, US 30. Bring some money to Papa. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on, what the fuck? How slow is my computer? I swear to goodness. There you go. In profit, in profit. You're in profit on all US 30s. Take your money and run. No need to stay in it. Take your money and run. No need to stay in it. Take your money and run. Boop. Locking in profit on my last one I have. Locking in profit now on my last one I have. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. Go like the wind. Come on. Oh, just tap me out. Motherfucker. Fuck you. I'm going back in. All right, fine. I'm taking my profit. I'm not going in. I'm not going back. There you go. Look at it go. Told you, told you, told you. Yeah, baby. All take. Well, my take profits were all hit for US 30, but you can hold this a lot longer. Oh, you have a nice dip in all the indices too. US 30 is the one I would take for my buy. Just perfection. You saw me just make a few grand right there. Quick as lickety split. That was a, damn. There goes US 30 again, baby. Look at it go up. There goes US 30 again. It's going to cross. You're going to see it go past its 15 second, 30 second. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I'm out. I got to go. All right. It's been fun. Bye on TikTok. God bless. I might be on later today. We'll see. All right, YouTubers got to run. That was fun. That was easy money. Wow, that was real easy money. All right, thank you all for being here. God bless you all. Hope you made some demo money only on
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
on
advisor.
US 30, but again, look for US 30. It's going to go up. It'll go up. All right, God bless you all. Everybody have a great morning, great day. I should be on later though. We'll see. All right, God bless. Again, to be clear, US 30 buy stop 30-minute. To be clear, US 30, let me write this down because some of you can't even understand when I write slowly and speak slowly. To be clear, all indices, US 30 especially, 30-minute buy stop. And SPX, NAS, NQ, 1, E1, it's in the game, and YM1. I think that's everybody. Okay. There you go. That's what I would be looking for. That's to play any buy stops you can find. If none happen, chill. Don't force the trade. Okay. Hope I'm clear on that. All right, God. Thank you for everything. Thank you guys for being here. You all have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you all for being